Hey guys, this is Melissa from BaseLang.com, and today we're going to talk about singulars and plurals.
Presented by BaseLang.com. Unlimited Spanish tutoring for $100 a month.
One of the main benefits of Spanish is how consistent it is. In English, there are so many rules, but luckily in Spanish, the rules are pretty simple. The only thing you have to take into account when we're talking about singulars and plurals is that you have to look at the last letter of the word. Now you'll see why I'm talking about. So what happens if the word ends in a vowel? Well, we just add an S at the end and that's it. For example, the word cama, bed. We just add an S at the end because the last vowel is an A. So the plural form is camas. Let's see another example. Carro, car. The vowel is O, so we add an S and the plural form is carros. But what if the word ends, if it doesn't end in a vowel, in a consonant? We add an ES at the end and that we have the plural form. For example, ciudad. Ciudad ends in the consonant D. So we add an ES and we have ciudades. Autobús, bus. We add an ES as well because the consonant is an S and the plural form is autobuses. We have another two rules. If the word ends in I or U accentuated, you might think that we have to add an S at the end. But no, since these two vowels are accentuated, we have to add an ES at the end of the word. For example, if we say bamboo, bamboo, we add an ES at the end and the plural form is bambúes. Or jabalí, ES and we have jabalíes. There's another rule. What if the word ends in C? Then we replace the C for CES. For example, pez, fish, erase the C and add CES. We have PECES. And LAPIZ, pencil. Remember, erase the C and add CES and we have LAPIZes. This may look very weird when it's written, but when it's spoken, the sound makes no difference because the C and the C in Spanish and in English sounds just like an S. So actually you will notice when we replace the C for CES. These are all the rules we have. It's pretty simple, isn't it? So now let's go to have some practice. I'm going to give you a few words and you're going to make them from singular to plural. Let's start. Maní. Remember, what is the last letter of the word? It's a vowel, right? It's I. But it's accentuated. So remember, we add an ES at the end. So the plural form is maníes. Let's see another one. Azul. Blue. The last letter is a consonant. So we add a ES at the end. Let's see the third word. Elefante. It ends in a vowel, E. So we add an S at the end, and what do we have? The plural form is elefantes. Now there is one left, the most difficult rule. VELOZ. It ends in Z. So we erase the C and add CES, and what do we have? VELOZes. Okay guys, this is it for today. This is very easy, but if you are still struggling, you can practice with one of our BaseLang teachers for free. The only thing you have to do is to share this video publicly on Facebook and tag the BaseLang Facebook page, and we're going to give you a 30-minute free class, okay? Have a nice day. Bye-bye!